All right, so came out here to clean the car out, vacuum it, and get it all looking presentable for the winner of this contest. And I heard the guys outside. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna go over there and check out his setup and show you guys real quick, but we'll come back to cleaning this in a minute. Okay, not quite sure why the audio cut out here, but yeah, he just got this in today, I believe, or yesterday, and it runs pretty good. It's just he needs to get the tuning done a little bit. It is set up for over 400 horsepower. He has Honda version 3, so it's pretty cool. He's a really good guy. He's going to take it to AGN, which is where I went to the dyno that one time, and he's going to have him tune it on the dyno. So be looking out for videos of that coming soon. Hopefully we'll have video of this on the dyno. So now we got to get back to work. Alright, so I was about to set the camera up and had this beautiful car that you've seen in one of my previous videos come, and I just wanted to give you a walk around of how nice it is. I like it. It's not a Honda, but you know, we'll get back to the Honda in a minute. Just got done making some vinyl stickers for him. These right here, making vinyls for the window and stuff like that. So I just figured I'd give you a little walk around of this beautiful car, but I'm gonna get back to working on that now. All right, so we're back after getting to see that car. I helped him data log with a couple things, but so we're gonna go ahead and clean this car out. I'm just basically going to vacuum, shop vac, get all the stuff that's junk and trash it and all that other stuff. So sit tight. All right, got it cleaned up mostly. Just got to vacuum the rest out of here. But yeah, storm's definitely rolling in, so I'm gonna try to hurry. All right, so got it vacuumed, shop vacked out, looking pretty good. It's pretty gutted, obviously. It's gonna be super light for a race car. Now, my original goals with this car was to make it a race car. That's one reason that I didn't really care about all the dents, is because it doesn't matter. It's a race car. There's nothing in here. So I'm gonna probably use some Purple Power, clean the rest up later. Sound deadening can come out, drop off more weight. This thing's super light as it is already. But yeah, that storm's definitely rolling in. It's a big one. So I'm gonna get these doors shut and get inside. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. When it comes time for me to pick a winner, which will be coming soon, I'll be using this random generator, which I tested it last night. It works really well. So I'll be using that method. I'll be doing it live, so you know that there's no faking. I'm giving it a fair chance for everyone. So if you want to enter to win this car, check out my other video. It's a good project car. It does need work, I know, but for project car, it's really not that bad. So it's already swap ready. Has the color shift, color changing wire tucked engine bay. The battery will go there. The headlights and everything are already hooked up, so you don't have to worry about that. Basically just drop your swap in, you're good to go. So if you want the chance to win this, definitely check those other videos out and stay tuned to the channel. Make sure the bell's turned on or you're not going to get notified when I upload who's winning this thing. So definitely stay tuned, everyone. But yeah, I got it cleaned out for now. It's a lot better than it was, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for sure.